Hey there, I'm Sarah, and in this video, we are going to make inner join super easy to understand. If you have ever been confused about how to combine data from different tables, don't worry, we'll go through it step by step. Let's jump in. Ever wondered how to pull in only the material records when you combine tables? And that's inner join summed up into points. There are two key things to keep in mind when using an inner join. First, only material rows from both tables are returned. Second, you specify which columns must match. So here are our two tables side by side. What inner join does is really all about matching values. It looks for rows in both tables where the values in specific column like ID are the same, and it only keeps those matching rows. If a row doesn't have find the match in the other table, it's ignored. That's what makes inner join so useful. It filters out anything that doesn't have a connection. In our example, the ID is the same in the first two rows, so inner join keeps them. The other rows are ignored because there is no match between the two tables. The real order of execution begins with the from clause, so first SQL looks at the first table, in our case table 1, then it moves to the inner join, it brings in the second table, table 2. Next, it applies the on condition. This is where it compares values in both tables and keeps only the matching rows. And only after that, SQL finally gets to the select part. It picks the specific columns you asked for and shows the result. Now let's move on to a real world example. Using our employee database, we have a business question. What are the names of all managers? Or maybe, what's the name of the manager for a specific department? If you haven't seen our introductory database overview yet, pause here and check that out. It will help this part make a lot more sense. Let's start with the first one. We are working with two tables, department manager, which contains only employee number and department number and dates, employees, which contains employee number, names, and other details. Here is the situation. The department manager tables has employee number but no names. To get the names, we need to match those employee numbers with the ones in the employees table. We do that by matching the employee number column, which is present in both tables. Now let's move to querying. First, we start with the tables we are going to use. We need to join them. Here we are using alias EE for employees to shorten our query. Then inner join the second table, department manager SCM. We mention the field we are joining on, which is common between both tables, employee number. Finally, we select the columns we want to extract. So in the end, we get a clear list of department numbers and the names of employees who are managers. They are included because their employee numbers show up in both tables. And here is the result of our query. That's it, as easy as that. For the second question, what is the name of the manager for a specific department? I will let you think about how to write that query. Small hints, we use where clause. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video and feel free to leave any question in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy querying.